All right, Cody, thank you. Closing arguments are underway in the murder trial of Pablo Cruz. He's the Schenectady man accused of driving drunk and hitting and killing a man on a bicycle nearly 2 years ago. Kimberly Howard is live from the Albany County Court now. She joins us with the latest on this trial, which has had some really sensational testimony as it's gone along. Anything interesting today, Kimberly?
Yeah, well, Liz, the defense actually finished up their closing arguments just about a half an hour ago. He started speaking around 10 o'clock, and defense attorney Michael Fight began by saying that, a man was killed on November 24th, 2012. That man, of course, was 45-year-old Paul Merges Jr., but he asked the jury to consider the counts, especially that most serious count of second-degree murder. He repeatedly said that his client Pablo Cruz does not have an indifference to human life. He said Merges' death was an accident and Cruz didn't see him. He pointed out several reasons for this, saying that the street was dark, Merges was wearing dark clothing and probably not riding in the bike lane because there were parked cars there at the time of the accident. He said the accident was on a curve, making it even more difficult to see, and he kept going back again to that main point that Cruz did not show an indifference to human life. He mentioned the testimony of several witnesses in his closing statement, but not once did he mention the testimony of his own client. As you mentioned, a rather colorful day in court yesterday when Cruz took the stand in his own defense. You remember that Cruz said yesterday that he wasn't even there when all of this happened. So that's something that we're definitely expecting the prosecution to harp on once they begin their closing arguments. We're expecting them to do that in just minutes, and we'll of course bring you those updates as soon as we get them. For now, we're live outside the Albany County Courthouse. Kimberly Howard, CBS 6 News.